Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Switch to a professional account and connect your Facebook page so the dashboard can access metrics. Once done, add primary contact info, email or phone, to unlock tools like insights and ads. Now open the dashboard from your profile menu and tap Overview. This shows engagement, reach, and recent content performance. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. If you skip the connection step, data won't populate, so complete these steps before moving on. Once the dashboard displays data, focus on insights. Switch between audience, content, and activity to understand who engages and when. Use filters to compare 7 versus 30-day ranges and isolate top posts or stories. Then go to Tools. Set up saved replies for faster DMs, create promotions directly from posts, and enable branded content tools if working with partners. Take notes on patterns, posting time, format, caption length, because those guide to finish, convert insights into a routine. Schedule content for peak windows and a /B test formats and captions to refine performance. Once you identify high-value post types, create templates and saved replies to scale. Track results weekly and adjust targeting or creative as needed. If metrics stop updating or tools are missing, troubleshoot. Reconnect your Facebook page, update the Instagram app, clear cache, and verify permissions. If problems persist, log out and back in. This often forces a fresh sync with the dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.